Okay, in this video, I will teach you how to train a warlock. So first, let's pick one peasant and enter him in this blade garden. So this blade garden trains units with the knowledge of the leaf. So this is the Lotus version of training long range troops. Okay, so we have trained here leaf disciple non-siege. So pag non-siege, of course, pang ano lang, pang battle sa mga troops. And mahina siya kapag gagamitin mo against buildings or structures. Then ang damage class niya is piercing. So malakas siya kapag ang kalaban niya is piercing type, explosive type, and magical type. Then weak siya against no damage. Okay, then next, let's enter him in training yard. So training yard trains units with the wisdom of the trunk. So this building trains troops that are effective in destroying buildings and structures. Okay, so we have trained here unclean one. So it's a siege type of troop. So pag siege, ibig sabihin it it's effective against in destroying buildings or structures. So ang damage class niya is magical. Then malakas siya kapag ang kalaban niya is explosive and magical type of troop. Weak siya against cutting and blunt damage. Then let's enter him in the final structure. So this forge building teaches units the skills of the blade. So dito tinitrain ng Lotus yung mga melee type niyang troops. Okay, so here we have not trained another troop, but rather we have we gave the unclean one a special power which transforms him to a powerful warlock. So it's called Rite of Ascension. So when you click this, it transforms it to a powerful warlock. Okay, so that's it. We have a warlock. So this warlock is non-siege, but yes, its damage class is explosive. So malakas siya kapag ang kalaban niya is also explosive or magical damage. So weak siya against cutting and blunt damage.